What did we learn from Jefferies? Sri?
Well, one reason we're always fixated with the Jefferies result is the read-through that we can get to the larger banks, which report next week. Jefferies came out and said M&A activity is picking up, capital markets are flourishing, so they clearly seem optimistic about everything. And it's incredible in some ways, right? The world seems constantly on edge. There's this threat of war, unresolved trade conflicts. Global growth outlook isn't all that great, and yet capital markets and banking activity continues to march on. What I'm also interested in is also the 2020 element here. I wonder if a lot of the activity this year is going to be front-loaded in the first two quarters because of the uncertainty around elections, and maybe bankers are also whispering into their ears saying, hey, you might want to get your deal done before there's a possible change in administration.
By the way, the volatility picking up just a little bit is good for trading. A year ago, in 2018, the volatility blew out so much that people were sitting on the sidelines, worried on taking on too much leverage, but the volatility picking back up might be really good of a read-through for the big banks reporting next week. So
do I learn that like the pie is just getting bigger, or is Jefferies taking away some of business from someone else?
They're
like how do I understand? They are taking more share.
So actually, if you look at the M&A league tables, they're actually even above Deutsche Bank in the past year. Well, they're a much smaller firm than Deutsche Bank.
Right, but also in the last few years, you know, Jefferies has been able to creep into a lot more deals because of some of the changes in the regulatory framework. But that has also meant that they're getting a seat at the table in a lot more discussion. So you're seeing more of a Jefferies presence out there.